Hi, I'm Brooke, and this is Maya. We love hiking, camping, kayaking, and everything outdoors. I previously built out a RAV4, but ultimately decided it wasn't enough space for me. So I traded it in for a van, and I've been building it out ever since. Follow along on the journey today as I continue the van build. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe before you leave. Unfortunately, my dog chewed the wires to my microphone, and I didn't realize it until after I was done filming this video. So I'm going to do my best to voice over this video for you guys. The project on this day was to install a lagoon swivel table so that I can eat inside my car. So here I'm just opening up all of the supplies and everything that came in the box with the table. I started by putting the two pieces of the leg together. This didn't come with any directions, and it was still really easy to figure out. I didn't have any issues. I also should note this isn't an actual lagoon swivel mount table. This is a dupe. It's one I found on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. The next step was to secure this plate onto the piece of wood, and this is what holds the leg to the table. Here I'm drilling holes for the bolts to go through, and then putting the bolts in. I then flipped it over and put on the back plate. After that, I got everything tightened down and secured. The next step was then to attach the wood piece back to where it belongs. After that, I could put the leg in. This just slides into the metal plate that I secured to the wood. This larger plate is what holds the wood piece for the top. So what I did next is I found the center of this table and secured the metal plate to it with screws. And finally, the last step was just to set that top piece on there. And now I have a space inside my van that I can eat dinner. This is probably the part of the van build that I am the most excited about. So you might be wondering, well, where am I going to sleep at night? This top piece just comes off, and then I have to take out the leg, and the table then becomes the filler piece and sits on grooves to be flush and will become my bed for the night. I will be making another side so that I can turn the whole thing into a bed, but that will come in a later video. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested in Unwind Outdoors merch, it will be linked in the description below.